Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute bonnet hat. I use 5 millimeters hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn and chaining yarn over. Pull up yarn, make chain. I have 12 centimeters in here. I made 16 chains. Make one more chain, skip one chain, go to next chain, insert your hook into this chain like this. Insert your hook, take this yarn from back of hook, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns together like this. Take this yarn on your hook, pull through two yarns, make single crochet, make single crochet, make single crochet stitch in first row. Make one single crochet in last stitch, make a chain, turn it, make one single crochet in each stitch. Take these yarns on your hook, make one single crochet. Make one single crochet in last stitch, take two yarns and make one single crochet, make a chain, turn it, make one single crochet in each stitch, 4 more rows. Crochet last row, make one single crochet in each stitch. I crochet these rows 1 2 3 4. I have 20 rows in here. 15 centimeter in here. make a chain, turn it, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, in last stitch in this corner make 1 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, until this corner. Go to this corner, first corner, make 1 2 single crochet, hide this yarn under a stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, until here, continue until here, make 1 single crochet in last stitch, make a chain, turn it, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for this round until here, 3 side, 1 2 3 side, 1 single crochet in each stitch, in corner continue without increased stitches, make 1 single crochet in last stitch like this. I crocheted 3 side until here, in here make a chain, turn it, don't crochet this side, continue to crochet from here 3 sides and make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in last stitch, make a chain, turn it, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, after these rows I crocheted 15 centimeters in here like this. Now Start to crochet from here. Fold it. This is first piece. Crochet this round. Make 1 2 chains. Go to first stitch, pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, and continue like this. For this round until next corner, until here. Make 1 double crochet in last stitch, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet and chaining in here. I made chains in here. Make a slip stitch from these loops, back of these chains. Go to these loops, take this yarn on your hook, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 slip stitch in each chains from until here. Make a slip stitch until here. In here, go to first row, make single crochet stitches in each stitch like this. Go to this holes and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet and chaining. Turn it, go to these yarns and make a slip stitch in each stitch. Until here. Make a slip stitch in each chain until here, a slip stitch.